my name is Kyle and I'm a software application specialist here at Redbeam, and welcome to another episode of our Redbeam Asset Tracking knowledge-based video series. In this video, we'll be discussing setting up asset data. In particular, we'll be covering how to add locations and add options to our asset data fields that are included in Redbeam. For more detailed information and step-by-step instructions, you can visit the link on the screen. In Redbeam, we make setting up your asset data very easy. To begin, we'll first navigate to the Setup tab on the left-hand side of the screen, and we'll start with Locations. You'll see on each of our pages the same buttons. We have an Import button that's used to add multiple options at once, an Export button, a Delete button, and then a green plus button in the bottom right-hand corner that can be used to add information manually. In Redbeam, locations are three-tiered, where you have companies, buildings, and rooms. You cannot have a building without a company or a room without a building. To add an option, you'll click the green plus button and insert the company name. We also have additional information that can be included, and this is true for many of our asset data fields. Once you have a company, you can then add buildings. Again, by clicking the manual plus button, all you'll need to do is first select the company that you're planning to add that building to and enter the building information. The same is true for rooms. So as you'll see, once we add the room, we'll first need to select the company and the building that the room will belong to. From there, we can include the room ID and have it saved. Next, we'll pivot to asset data. As you can see, there are a multitude of asset data fields that can be utilized within Redbeam. A couple of the most common are department, people, which is used for long-term person assignment, and asset types. Within each of these, you'll see that we have the same import, export, delete, and manual add buttons. This process of either importing or manually adding these options is going to be repeated for all of the categories with which you would like. And then once you're finished, you'll be able to utilize that information, provide you with more relevant data about each of your assets. Thanks for watching, and feel free to contact us using any of the methods listed on the screen if you have any questions or want additional information. See you next time.